Hi and welcome back to another video. So today I am going to show you how to fix if you are encountering the page isn't available right now error on Instagram. So you can try the following steps to troubleshoot the issue. So first, you need to check your internet connection. So you need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. So just try opening other websites or apps to verify that your connection is working properly. If you are on a Wi-Fi network, you can attempt to switch it to a different network or just reset your router. Next, what you can do is to close and reopen the Instagram app. So close the Instagram app completely and relaunch it because sometimes temporary glitches can cause the page isn't available right now error, and reopening the app can solve it. So next is to clear cache and data. So if you're using Android, you can try clearing the cache and data of the Instagram app. So just go to your device's settings, navigate to apps and then application manager and locate Instagram and then select it. And then tap on the storage and cache and then choose to clear cache and clear data. Note that clearing data will log you out of the app, so you will need to sign again. So next is to update Instagram. So ensure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. So you need to go to the Play Store if you are using Android and go to the App Store if you are using an iOS device. After that, you need to search for Instagram, and if an update is available, tap on Update to install it. Outdated versions of the app can sometimes cause issues. Next is to restart your device. So perform a restart of your device. So this can help clear any temporary software glitches that might be causing the problem. Next is to check the Instagram status because sometimes Instagram experiences server issues or maintenance, which can result in the page isn't available right now error. So you can visit the Instagram help Twitter account at Instagram help or the Down Detector website to check if there are any reported issues with Instagram services. Next two is to just wait and try again later, because if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it is possible that the problem is on the Instagram's end. In such cases, it is best to wait for some time and try accessing the page for feature again later. So if the problem persists and you continue to encounter the page isn't available right now error on Instagram, you can try contacting Instagram support or reporting the issue through the app for further assistance. So that is all for this video, and I hope you learned something, and if you did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.